Hey, what's going on everybody? It's bro, hope you're doing well, and in this video we're going to be writing files in Python, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you wouldn't mind, please like, comment, and subscribe. One like equals one prayer for the YouTube algorithm. So to begin, it's kind of similar to the last video on reading files. With open, within the open function, list the file name or the file path. So what do you want to call this file? I will call this file test.txt. Now normally with the open function, there is a mode, and you can actually change that. There's a second argument that you can pass in. By default, this is R for read, but if you want to write a file, this would be W. So now we're going to write a file called test.txt. So to finish, with open as file, what are we going to do? File.write. And within the write function, we can write some text. So let's create a text variable and we will add a string. So let's say text equals yo. And if you need to go down to a new line, be sure to use the new line character. So after this new line character, the text that comes after is going to be on the next line as if we're hitting enter. So yo, this is some text. Have a good one. Alright, so after I run this program, we should have a file, a text file within our project folder that appears. And it is right here, and it says, yo, this is some text. Have a good one. Now, this is in write mode. If this text was something else, it will actually overwrite your current file. So if I were to change this to, this text has been overwritten, well then this will overwrite the text that we have. This text has been overwritten. So you can actually append a file by changing the mode to A for append. So let me change this back. We will rewrite this. This will save over our current file. Now we can append some text. So let's add maybe a new line. Have a nice day. See ya. So I would like to append some text to this file. I'm going to change the mode to A for append. And we can now append some text onto the end of this file. Well everybody, that's how to write to a file and or append a file. If you would like a copy of this code, I will post this in the comment section down below. But yeah, that's how to write to and or append a file in Python.